In Sanskrit, it is said, Dukkham eva sarvam vivekina. Hare Ram. Vaheguru. Guru Nanak translates it into better, more understandable words. Nanak dukhiya sab sansar. दुख ही दुख है संसार में. सो फिर नानक किस लिए आया है? दुख को बढ़ाने, बताने कि तुम दुखी हो. सो ठीक है, मान लिया, हमको पहले ही पता था दुखी है. सो व्हाट डज नानक वांट फ्रॉम यू? व्हाट कैन ही गिव यू? दुखी हो, ठीक है, इट्स अ स्टेटमेंट. दुखम एव सर्वम. दुख ही है अलोन, ऑल अराउंड. इतने दुखी हैं सब के सब. दुनिया कोशिश कर रही है, कोई पेस्ट्री खा के, कोई पिज्ज़ा खा के, कोई मूवी देख के थोड़ा सा दिल बहल जाए. नहीं बहलता. हरे कृष्णा. इसलिए सारा दिन कुछ न कुछ करते रहो, फोन के अंदर कुछ न कुछ करते रहो, शायद बात बन जाए. उससे और बोरियत बढ़ जाती है. बट वेल, टाइम पासेस, टाइम पासेस. पर सुख, आनंद नहीं मिलता, किसी को नहीं मिलता. सब दुखी हैं. किसी का हस्बैंड मार रहा है उसको, किसी की वाइफ डंडे से पीट रही है. एवरी होम इज लाइक दैट. नहीं मार पीट रहे फिजिकली, तो मेंटली एक दूसरे को टॉर्चर कर रहे. हरे कृष्ण. हरे कृष्णा. एक अमिताभ बच्चन का सॉन्ग था, ड्रंकर्ड हस्बैंड फाइटर वाइफ. ऐसी मतलब दुनिया चल रही है. हरे कृष्ण. जो शादी नहीं कराता उसकी, उसको दुनिया बोलती है शादी क्यों नहीं कराते. हरे कृष्ण. वाहेगुरु. मैंने तो कुएं में छलांग मारी, तुम क्यों नहीं मार रहे. वाहेगुरु. मैं विस्की पी रहा हूं, तुम क्यों नहीं पीते हो. तुम हेडेक कर रहे हो, तुम अपना लिवर फेल कर रहे हो, मुझे क्या जरूरत है. वेल, बट नानक क्या चाहता है? हाउ कैन नानक इंप्रूव अपॉन द सिचुएशन बाय टेलिंग यू दैट एवरीबडी इज सफरिंग? हाउ कैन शंकराचार्य इंप्रूव योर सिचुएशन बाय टेलिंग यू दैट दुखमेव सर्वम? वाहेगुरु. Everybody is, riveted to the earth because of the gravity of the earth. So हम फंसे हुए हैं in earthly living. But earth क्या बताती है? अर्थ बताती है आई एम अट्रैक्टेड टू द सन. इसलिए तुम मेरे ऊपर खड़े हो सक रहे हो. इसलिए आई हैव गॉट ग्रेविटी, बिकॉज आई एम अट्रैक्टेड टू द सन. मैं उसके अराउंड ही घूमती रहती हूँ. आई हैव नथिंग एल्स टू डू. आई जस्ट कीप रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड माई सन, माई बिलवेड, माई ईश्वर. सो तुम भी मेरे से सीख लो. So, because his gravity is far more than the gravity of earth. Once you start getting attracted by the sun, you will fly into solar world, which is Brahmalok, which is Sachkhand. Get attracted to the sun. Sun कौन होता है? गुरु. आदि गुरु है sun. Once you get attracted by the guru, you go outside the gravitational force of earth. And then you realize कि बेचारे earthly beings are all suffering. वो इसी कंफ्यूजन में फंसे हुए हैं कि शादी कराएं नहीं करवाएं, बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलें, किसको नहीं बोलें. इस चक्कर में फंस चुके हैं. और फिर कभी स्माइल कर दें, कभी रोना रो दें. खुशी कोई नहीं है, सबके सब दुखी हैं. सो नानक क्या करते हैं? नानक कम्स एज द सन. Adi Shankara comes as the sun and shows you his powers. What powers? Not Panja Sahab power, कि मैंने पत्थर रोक दिया पंजे से. नहीं नहीं, the power of attraction, of Gurutvakarsan, magnetism. He attracts you. And when you get attracted by the sun, you leave the gravitational pull of the earth. And then you fly, you levitate. Ethereal being. You become an ethereal being. And when you become an ethereal being, people start calling you abnormal. Well, you just carry on doing your work. If you're a carpenter, be carpenter. Jesus happened to have declared before Abraham was, Abraham was 2000 years before. Abrahamic religions. All Jews, Muslims, they're divided. They're all, ancestor is Abraham. Just like, we are all heritage of Brahma. But then there is a Shaivite, there is a Shakt, there is a Vishnu Bhakta, there is a Mata Bhakta. So these are all stupidities. Well, so Jesus said, before Abraham was, I am. He didn't say, I am what? But he said, before Abraham was, I am. And he was stoned and he was crucified. Because how can you say that? He had got pulled by the sun. So he was an ethereal being, always living in bliss. But they crucified him, they stoned him. That doesn't mean anything happened to him. He continued to be Jesus. Nothing happened to him. Aurangzeb can behead Guru Tegh Bahadur, but nothing happens actually to Guru Tegh Bahadur. Guru Tegh Bahadur is Guru Tegh Bahadur. He still is. Because he is not an earthly being anymore. He is now in Brahmaloka all the time. So that Brahmaloka can be experienced. It's aparoksha anubhuti. Aparoksha anubhuti. You can experience that when you become truly devoted to Satya Sai Baba. You will see Brahmaloka. When you truly belong to Krishna, you will become Krishna. But first you have to belong to Nanak to be known as Nanaki, to be known as Angad. So completely ananyata. Bhaktya tu ananyata. Bhaktya tu ananyaya shakya aham evam vidho Arjun. अर्जुन मेरे को जानना हो तो कंप्लीटली मेरे हो जाओ. कंप्लीटली मेरे हो जाओगे तो समझ आ जाएगा. ज्ञातुम द्रष्टुम च तत्वेन प्रवेष्टुम. Completely, just like earth completely belongs to the sun. Otherwise there will be no earth and there will be no us, because it will go astray. It doesn't leave the orbit. It never leaves its orbit. It's all the time rotating, circumambulating. वारी जावा. वारी जावा होता है ना, सदके जावा, वारी जावा, बलिहारी जावा, हुको लीजियो कोल कुमाई. Melt into, earth has melted into the sun, and it's for eternity, it will keep rotating around the sun. So that should be the attraction. Gurmukh hove ta ek ko jane. Then you are a Radha, then you are a Meera, then you are an Arjun, then you are a Khalsa. Then you are a Brahmin. What is a Brahmin? Who has seen Brahma. He is a Brahmin. Who is a Harijan? Who completely belongs to Hari. Jews believe in God called Jehovah. Jehovah. Yahweh. Jehovah. Yahweh. What does the word Yahweh means? What does the word Brahman means? Brahman means Bruhat Aham. I am. I am that I am. The word Jehovah means, Yahweh means, I am. I'm not this little being. This little being is perishable, but I am. Then there's no difference left between you and Krishna, you and Buddha. You are beyond history, you are timeless. You are you. So Jesus happened to have had this aparoksha anubhuti, direct experience. So when he had that experience, he says, before your Abraham means a historical figure, 2000 years back, before Abraham was, I am. I am always there. Same thing Nanak said. Aaj sach, jugad sach, hai bhi sach, vasi bhi sach. I was, I am, and I'll ever be. So, fortunate was Nanak that there were not people to listen to him, so they did not kill him. But unfortunate was, for us, unfortunate was Guru Tegh Bahadur, because they happened to have understood what is he saying. So they beheaded. So quietly experience. दुनिया वालों को नहीं बताना. ये दुनिया वाले पूछेंगे, मुलाकात हुई, क्या बात हुई. ये बात किसी को ना कहना, क्योंकि कह दिया तो they'll crucify you. You will become a sinner. How sweetly that song has been depicted, you know. I mean, if you meet your beloved and दुनिया वाले पूछेंगे क्या हुआ, ये कोई बताया थोड़ा जा सकता है कि क्या हुआ, बताना मत किसी को. ये दुनिया वाले पूछेंगे, मुलाकात हुई, क्या बात हुई. You should never to be posted on Facebooks and Instagrams कि क्या हुआ, जो हुआ तो हुआ, तो मुझे ही पता है कि क्या हुआ. Isn't it? So when you see God, just keep it to yourself, enjoy it. God is light. सतगुरु नानक प्रगटिया, मिट्टी धुंध जग चानन होया. आपकी धुंध मिट जाएगी, आप भी नाचना शुरू कर दोगे. बस नाचते रहो, बताओ मत किसी को क्या हुआ. बस 2 आंखें 4 हो गई हैं, बट लोगों को तो 2 ही दिखेंगी ना. वो 4 हो चुकी हैं, 2 नहीं है, 4. तीसरी आंख खुल जाएगी फिर. When you love Nanak, तो तीसरी आंख खुल जाएगी. Love Jesus, then you will be a Jehovah's Witness. Jehovah's Witness is not a religion. Jehovah's Witness means you've had direct perception of God. Pratyaksh Praman. But that will happen only when God as Nirankar comes as Sakar and gives you a direct experience. How will it happen otherwise? Direct perception. Unless you see Satya Sai Baba, how would you know what is God? And what will you see in Satya Sai Baba? Not his hospitals, not his universities. Wow, the free school hai. Forget about all this. You just see how enlightened this man is. Why the whole world is suffering, but this man is always in his own state of mind. लोग मर रहे हैं, लोग जन्म ले रहे हैं, कोई एरोप्लेन क्रैश कर जाता है, कोई सुनामी आ जाता है. This man is untouched. Either he's mad, should be killed. He doesn't, he's not concerned. He should be killed. Or else he should be worshipped. You can't do any two things together. You either worship him or you kill him. He doesn't have to say, I am God. He's just happy. And then he asks you, why don't you also want to be happy? Yes, I want to be. Then why are you killing me? You also be happy. I mean, what fault of mine if I am happy? You also want to be. No, but somebody has died. How can you be happy? Satya Sai Baba's mother dies. And Satya Sai Baba's mother dies. My God, it's something to be. I mean, you have to offer condolences. So, but he's giving darshans and smiling. So, somebody very close could dare go to him and say, heartfelt condolences. Swami, Swami sir, this is my play. Enjoy it. Hare Ram. No, then he is mad, definitely mad. His mother dies and he said, it's my play, enjoy it. Look at this. But ask yourself, don't you also want to be happy till you die? One day you will die. At 100 years of age, you will all die. Death is physiological. Death is not to be scared of. It will come. Let it come the day it comes. Till then, be happy. That's what is the goal of life. God is not the goal of life. Happiness is the goal of life. Then why are you unhappy then? When it is your choice to be happy or unhappy, then why don't you be happy? Hare Krishna. What is the requirement of reading Bhagavad Gita or Guru Granth Sahib? No need. Just be happy. But happiness and love are interconnected, inseparably. If you want to be happy, then you have to be loving also. But then how can I love my husband? He's a drunkard. No, you will have to love him. That's a condition. You'll have to love all your enemies, all your competitors, every insect, every reptile, everything you'll have to love. And when you're in love with everything, then you will be happy. They're inseparably connected. Prema Ananda. Oh, if I start loving everything, then I'll become Radha, I'll become mad. Radha was used to be in Vrindavan. How can I be? You'll have to accept that you are also Radha. You'll have to accept that you're also Meera. You'll have to accept that you are Jesus. You'll have to accept that you are Nanak. Because Nanak is not a historical figure, Nanak is happiness. Adi Shankara is not a book writer, he's happiness. नहीं नहीं रक्षति दुक्रुम करणे भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम. ये पढ़ाई उढ़ाई से कोई बात नहीं बनने वाली. डिग्रीज से कोई बात नहीं. मान महत न साकत ही काई. ये फॉलोइंग से नेम फेम से बात नहीं बनने वाली. Just become love embodied. All the time in love. Quiet love. Quiet love. So ये दुनिया वाले पूछेंगे मुलाकात हुई क्या बात हुई ये तो मत बताना पर बोलना कि बस मेरे को थोड़ा सा प्रेम सा हो गया है. लावा इश्क दे अंबरी उड़ा रही हैं. इश्क दे अंबरी उड़ा. अंबर होता है अंबर सर. अमृतसर अंबर. आकाश को बोलते हैं. आकाश इज अमृत. आकाश कभी नहीं मर सकता. लावा इश्क दे अंबरी उड़ा रही हैं. सो मुझे बस प्यार सा हो गया है और तो मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ. प्यार में जियो. आनंद ही आनंद हो जाएगा जीवन. मरना तो सबको ही है, सबको ही मरना है, मरने को रोकना नहीं चाहिए और मरने से डरना भी नहीं चाहिए। सबको मरना है, सबके शरीरों को मरना है, मगर जीसस नेवर डाइज, नीदर कैन यू एवर डाई, नॉर हैज नानक डाइड, nor has Satya Sai Baba died. I often ask Satya Sai Baba's devotees कि प्रेमा साईं भी आ जाएगा तो बात तो बनने नहीं वाली। जब सत्य साईं से नहीं बनी, शिरडी साईं से नहीं बनी, तो अब प्रेमा साईं की वेट करने से क्या फायदा होगा? बात तो तब भी नहीं बनेगी। बात तो अभी बन सकती है, अभी, नॉट टुमारो, नाउ, टुडे, एवरी डे। It is your will to suffer. That's why you're suffering. ये दुख इसलिए नहीं है कि भगवान ने दुख बनाया है, आपने ठान दी है कि मुझे दुखी रहना है। We have all unpaid, we are all unpaid judges. We are born as judges, uncrowned, unpaid judges. We judge the whole world, even the creator. ये तुमने क्या कर दिया, ये क्या बना दिया, ऐसी दुनिया क्यों बना दी, ऐसा मेरी वाइफ क्यों क्यों बना दिया, ऐसा हस्बैंड क्यों बना दिया। सारा दिन we are finding faults with everyone and everything. Uncrowned, unpaid judges. What a stupid profession we have chosen. Hare Krishna. Let things be the way they are. You be happy. That's your goal. Your goal is not Gurdwara or Mandir. Your goal is to be happy. Start loving everything and be happy. Quietly love everything. Quietly. Don't touch a snake, it'll bite you. That's not love. Use your common sense. Just love with your eyes. That's all. Don't touch anything. Anything. If you touch anything, you are in trouble. Don't go and start touching people because I love you. You get a slap on your face. So just love with your eyes. Use common sense. No intelligence required. Just common sense. Common sense, which is uncommon yet, but use common sense. Keep looking at everything with a beautiful eye. Love everything. Acceptance is the first step. Accept everything as they are, perfect, because your God has made them. Your Krishna has made things like they are. Your Shivji has made them. Your Mata has made them. Your Jesus, your Christ has made them the way they are. Let them be just the way they are. You catch hold of your God, your Krishna, your love. Bless yourself and bless your God. God will be very happy the day you bless him. God is waiting for your blessings. Satya Sai Baba cannot bless you. You can definitely bless him by being like him. Be like him and he is blessed. Just be like him. He doesn't need anything from you. He doesn't need your money. He doesn't need your advertisements. He just wants that you should become like him. Become like Nanak. Become like Jesus. Just become like a Jesuit. Become like a Jesus. Become a Brahmin. A Brahma. Eternal self. Jehovah, eternal self. Don't declare it that I am God. Then people will call you abnormal. ये दुनिया वाले पूछेंगे तो, मगर आप बताओ मत. मजा आ रहा है बस. क्यों आ रहा है ये तो नहीं पता, पर मजा आ रहा है. हैप्पीनेस है बस. क्यों ना बताइएगा कभी भी किसी को, फंस जाओगे फिर तो. लोग कहेंगे कि स्माइल तो करते हैं पर अंदर से बहुत दुख है. आप कहेंगे ऊपर से तो मैं थोड़ा सीरियस दिखता हूँ, मगर मजा बहुत आ रहा है. सो accept your reality, accept yourself. You are happiness, you are not sorrow, you are not suffering. ये झूठ बोलना बंद. Happiness, love, प्रेमानंद. कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण. वाहेगुरु.